Hi everyone! I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I recently, probably not, it was just last week, ordered some micas from Nurture Soaps. And I wanted to show you guys a few of the ones that they have. Because I did order a new one as well, but it just came out. Haven't opened it yet. I was tempted, but get that out of the way. There's some micas. And that's it. Okay, so the first one I have is Really Red from Nurture Soap. And I had a 1 ounce bag of it for the longest time. Well, the soap gremlins hit it and I couldn't find it, and I've got a Christmas soap planned, so I need red. And Nurture Soap's Really Red is the only one that I have found that is red. When you do it in your soap, it's red and it's really pretty. Let me see if I can open this up and show you. Get you the fool. It's really red and it's worth every penny. And Nurture Soap's really affordable anyway, but it's worth every penny. Okay. And these were some of the 5-gram ones I ordered because Mica, it lasts a while, so. Okay. So the next one is New Leaf Mica. It is a really pretty green. I don't know if the light picks this up or not, but it is a really pretty pastel-y green. And I am definitely got plans for this one. Light picks it up or not, but it is. Come on, focus. Well, I tried. I don't know if any of that focused on it or not, but I tried. Get the last two here out. Another one I got was Turquoise Dye Mica. I have been making bubble scoops, and I wanted a turquoise color because right now I've just got the basics: red, orange, blue, and yellow. That's all I got. So, well, and a really pretty pink that I also got from Nurture Soap. But I wanted to have a turquoise, which I'm not even going to open this one because it is super dark, and that's definitely not true to what it's going to look like. It's supposed to be turquoise though. But another one I got, and you see I was on a green kick. Because I don't have any greens. I do now though. This one's called Lime Appeal Mica. And these are all good for cold process, and I imagine for hot process as well. This is a really kicker green. It is really bright. And the last one that I got is Camouflage Mica. I was excited about this one because I've been wanting to do a camouflage type soap, but I didn't know if there was any such thing as camo mica. But what it is it's kind of a green brown. The lighting really isn't doing justice. I will see if I can get a better lighting on these, because they're really pretty. And the whole point was to show you guys what Nurture Soap has to offer. Okay, hopefully that video angle was a better representation of what these actually look like, because the lighting before really wasn't that good. But anyway, another thing I wanted to mention was Nurture Soap is really fast on shipping, and it was really affordable. Like, it was less than $4 to ship these, and because they didn't make me go through the UPS, and the UPS is just, their prices are really high. But to go over the colors again, I got turquoise dye, new leaf mica, camouflage mica, lime appeal mica, and really red. And anyway, red and green, guys. It's time to start making those Christmas soaps soon. So this should help you out if you're looking for a particular green or anything. I'm not getting compensated by Nurture Soap either. I just really love this company. Their micas are really good. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment below if you have a favorite mica, whether it's from Nurture Soap or another company. Please let me know. I'd love to talk to you about it. And please subscribe to my channel. Every subscriber makes me do a little happy dance. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.